Here is the ACCURL manufacturer. So now we introduce for you about the CNC guillotine with the lamp CNC control system and the sheet spot. So the first we're looking about the machine details. For the machine we have to use the lamp ES360S CNC control system. And this system can swap about, you just need to set in the thickness, then the machine, the blade gap and the angle will be automatic change. This foot switch from Siemens, and this finger spot stop. So when the sheet play go with the baggage, then come back will be stopped. So this will help about the customer to cut in some different sheet. And we can see the machine top, the Siemens main motor and the American brand the pump, Rexroth the valve, and the EMB pipe. So you can see the machine very clean. So this is first about the quality. Also in here you can see, when this open, the machine will be stopped, the power off. And here, it's here. You can easy to cut a small the sheet play. And about this screw, this. And this cylinder, air cylinder from Taiwan for the sheet support. And here we also can see the electric parts. You want to open the door, the power must be off. All parts from Euro standard electric. Gas cover servo driver and Omron PLC. Power on. Then reset. This is switch for super sheet sport control. Okay. We can see the baggage. The details very important. Linear guide and boss screw. The servo motor gas cover. You can see. In the control system, we have put the many program. The first one, second, you can choose anyone. So the first, this working. Choose the first one. Okay. Baggage is high speed, very quick. 几个吧？几个吧？ The guillotine blade from Taiwan, Philly. So we can look at the sheet spot and the baggage is working together. Of course, we can see the machine, no noisy. Okay. Now we will look at the cutting. How about the ACCURL gelatin cutting ACCURL?等着啊。You will see the cutting ACCURL about the play. See the play.切掉一个的，切掉一个的。The same. In the middle, the sheet, the middle, 裂动开。수가 영화 디바디지 그런 상황. 이거. 이거 래. OK. 把白拿出来，你看这个整齐的套路。Of course, the small size sheet, no cover, very straight. So thanks for your choose ACCURL gelatin. Thanks.